Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the dip switch module within the simulide simulator. So here you can see that we have all sort of components available within our components section, and we will drag down the scroll bar and we will find our dip switch module. So here you can see that we have our dip switch module. So click on it and drag it out to the main circuit window. So now we can click on zoom to fit, and here it is. Okay, now we will try to use it out. So now we will take some LEDs so that we can use these dip switches to light our LEDs. So now we can connect our LED like this, the anode terminal of the LED with the dip switch right side. Okay, and now we again copy it out and we again paste it out like this, and again like this. And we also need to click zoom to fit after every iteration so that we can see it properly like this, and again like this. Again zoom to fit, paste, or we can go for just like a 4-bit dip switch. So we can click on this dip switch, we can reduce its size to 4, and now the size has been reduced to 4. Now we can connect the anode side of the LEDs with these dip switches like this and like this. This and this. Okay. Now we can connect the ground with the negative or cathode side of the LEDs. We can't say negative but cathode. Okay, now we will go and we will take our fixed voltage power supply. We can connect all the pins of the dip switches that lies on the left hand side. We have to connect all these sides or terminals with that of fixed voltage power supply like this. Now you will see we can run our simulation. Okay, now we have started our simulation, and now we have clicked on our fixed voltage power supply, and here you can see that all the LEDs are turning on, but with very bright light. It is not good. Okay, we have to introduce a resistor. Okay, now this is our 100 ohm resistor. Okay, and we have to connect it with the cathode side of the LEDs. So now you will see whenever. Okay, now our LEDs are on. Now we will try to make on and off these LEDs with the help of these dip switches. So click on our first switch, click on second, and this and this. Now we can control our LEDs with that of these dip switches. So in this way we can control multiple things or multiple devices with the help of these simple dip switch module. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use these dip switch module or these dip switches to control multiple devices. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.